If you've seen my previous video on apple thinning, I had thinned down the apples from the tree in spring about 40 to 50%. And some people were commenting that I thinned it down too much. But over the summers, the apples started to grow and they grew really big. So I wanted to show you the apples. And now it is the beginning of fall and the apples are ripe. Now they are falling down the tree. So I'm going to harvest a lot of apples today. So for past 3 weeks, I have been harvesting like 7-8 apples a day. We juice them, we eat them raw, we made some apple pie, we distributed to the neighbors, and we are still not able to finish those. But now they are ripe and they are falling, and when they fall, they get damaged. So I want to pick a lot of apples. So I'll show you how big they are and how many apples we have on the tree. Hi, this is Ruchi, and let's harvest our apples. So look at all these apples. They are all hidden behind the leaves, but there are so many apples growing. Look at this cluster here. Look at this side. And this is after thinning down. Obviously, I didn't reach everywhere, I guess. So I'm going to just harvest the ripe apples, not everything. So this is the first apple. Look at this, the size of the apple. It's ripe, yellow and red. This one is damaged. Look at the apples. The reason they are falling is that they are ripe. So as soon as I touch one apple, 5 apples around it just fall in my hand or on the ground. So actually that's not the only reason they fall. One is that they are ripe, so they fall at the slightest touch or because of the wind, or if they are rotting or they have some disease, then also they fall. And another interesting thing is that the apples on this side, they are more ripe than on the other side or in the middle, because in the middle they don't get any sun. This side they get south, west, and on that side they get eastern sun. So the peripheral apples are more ripe than the apples in the middle. Look at all these apples. These are the ones which are, yellow and red. There are so many more which are slightly greenish, like this one. There are some like this which are slightly greenish. So I have not picked them up. Maybe this just fell by itself, but this is perfect. So this one is yellow here and it has these red streaks. So this is perfect. So two things. One is that you don't want to leave them on the tree for a long time, because then they tend to become little soft, and second, if they fall then they get damaged. So that's why I'm picking these up. I'm going to sort them out. Now some of these are diseased. I mean, like this one has hole, this one rotted. What I do with these is that I just remove the bad part and I just make juice out of it, or just eat it raw, just like that. So there's no harm in this. You just remove the bad part and you're good to go. And considering we have so many apples, juicing is a great idea, because that way you can consume probably 3 or 4 apples a day. Otherwise you will probably eat 1 apple a day. So I'm going to store these in refrigerator, maybe send some to the neighbors, and then we'll go from there. And let me show you what is still left on the tree. So look at all these apples still there. I have not harvested even half of what is there on the tree. So maybe in a few days they will be ripe too, and I'll harvest those too. But for now I am good. At least they'll not fall down and get damaged. So I hope this video was fun for you guys to watch. It's really great to harvest your fruits and vegetables from your garden. It's so relaxing and it's so rewarding. So I hope this video was fun to watch. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.